We are here to explain about data handling. See, the data means collection of numbers, collection of information in the form of numbers. My friend Parthu can say about tally marks.
Tally mark, what is tally mark and how it represent? First of all, we'll start with what is tally mark. Tally mark, a dash of numerical numbers that we count is called tally mark. How will represent? First we'll write 4 lines and we'll cross the other line. That is all.
Now I'm going to explain about bar graph. The collection of information in the form of bar is called bar graph. See, you can see here, class 1 had 28 students and class 2 had 32 students. Now I'm going to ask my friend Parthu questions. How many students are there in class 2?
5 into 6, 33 students are there in class 2. Then now I'm going to ask my friend Vishnu a question. How many students are there in class 10?
See, this is class 10. So, in class 10, there are 30 students. So, there are 30 students in class 10. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is G. Ramakrishna and my friend here is K. Lokesh. Today we are going to explain about pictograph. A pictograph is a form of visual representation that uses symbols, icons and pictures to convey information or data. Pictograph can be advised in many fields of mathematics. Now my friend here is going to ask me some questions. How many people like SpongeBob? 10 people like the cartoon SpongeBob. How many people like Motu Patlu? 5 people like the cartoon called
So you
Motu
collected
Patlu.
information about what?
I collected this information from my friends in my apartment.
Okay, what type of data it is? I mean, what information it is? About
It is the information about cartoons.
okay.
In which my friends said. How many people like Tom and Jerry? 7 people like the cartoon Tom and Jerry. How many people like Ninja Hattori?
So in your apartment, 7 kids they like Tom and Jerry. Okay, nice.
12 people in my apartment like Ninja Hattori. How many people like Pokemon? 10 people in my apartment like Pokemon. How many people like Nickelodeon? 6 people in my apartment.
So what is the most liked cartoon?
The most highest amount of people like Ninja Hattori.
What is the least one?
The least cartoon which anyone like is Motu Patlu, which rarely anyone like. Thank you. Namaste everyone, my name is Aditya. This is my friend Dinesh. First of all, today we are telling about data handling. First of all, we know that what is the data. My friend Dinesh will say what is the data.
A data is a collection of information such like vehicles and summary.
I will ask one question. How many bikes are there?
So what is the data? What you
Vehicles.
About vehicles where?
In our street,
In your street. Okay.
there are 20 vehicles.
20 vehicles or bikes?
20 bikes.
Okay.
How many cars are there?
Cars. 4 cars are there.
How many vans are there?
Vans 5 vans are there.
So you represented data in which form?
Bar graph.
So that is bar graph.
Yes.
Okay, carry on.
How many trucks are there?
2 trucks are there.
How many bicycles are there?
10 bicycles are there. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today my friend Nitya and I made a bar graph project. We surveyed 46 students of Viswakavi and asked them what movie genre they like. So I am going to ask some questions to my friend and she is going to answer. How many members like action movie?
9 members.
How many members like comedy?
13 members.
Why do you think comedy is having more votes?
Comedy is full of laughs which we love to watch.
And which is the least number votes?
Science fiction.
Why do you think so?
I do think so. It is not that much common in all the members.
And I think horror did not get much votes because it is so terrifying. Thank you, Aman.
Hello friends, I am Ashmi and she is my friend Akshaya. We are from grade 6 Viswakavi CBSE school. Today we are going to talk about bar graphs. We collected data from our apartment about what sweet they like most. Now my friend is going to talk about bar graph. A bar graph contains bars which is different lengths represent data. So I want to ask you some questions. Will you tell me? Yes, of course. How many members in our apartment like laddu? Laddu. So 21 members in your apartment like laddu. How many members like Mysore pak? Mysore pak. So 27 members like Mysore pak. Thank you. Thank you. Namaste. I am Dolakshi of class 6 and my friend, and she is Harshini of class 6, studying in Viswakavi CBSE. I collected information of students' screen time and their study time. As you can see here, Akshaya's screen time. Akshaya's study time is 2 hours and her screen time is 3 hours. My friend Harshini's study time is 4 hours and her screen time is 2 hours. Can you please explain about data? Data is information that we collect in the form of numerical figures. Can you please explain about raw data? Raw data is the data in which we collect in its original form. Can you please explain about array? The numerical figures in which we collect in ascending order or descending order is called an array. What is a bar graph? Bar graph is the pictorial representation of information in the form of rectangular, horizontal or vertical bars. Thank you.
Whose screen time is more?
Nishant.
Nishant. Oh my god. Whose study time is more?
Honey.
Very nice.
Hi, Monica. How are you? I'm fine. Can you show that? Yeah, this is the chart what sir told me to make. Okay, catch it, Mahita. You can see. How is it, Mahita? Nice. Do we know any information about data? Can you explain about it? Yeah, absolutely, Mahita. A collection of information in the form of numerical figures is called data. Did you get an idea of data now? Here three types of things are there. Yeah, these are useful for storing data. Do you know what is this? This is simple tabular form. In tabular form, we can write with numbers or tally marks. Here comes bar graph. In bar graph, we can observe easily that which is more and which is less. Here, see, most of the people like Holi festival. I collected so many people's favorite festival in our apartment. Most of the people like Holi. Okay, the least festival, the people like Dasara. No, it's actually Christmas. Here comes to pictograph. Picto in the name tells that picture. With pictures, we can identify easily. Here also, we can easily identify. So, I'll ask you one question. Will you tell it? Yeah. How many people like Dasara? 4 people like Dasara. Yeah, you are absolutely correct, Mahita. Yeah, this is interesting. Bye, Mahita. Thank you. Hello, friends. My name is
Then we will see black tea, 4 members like black and 8 members like purple and 6 members like orange.
For how many members you did this? From how many members you collected total data? Total how many members? Some 20-30 members.
And 5 numbers like 7 and 7 numbers like 6 and 3 numbers like 3. I want to ask you some questions. Who likes most purple?
So purple is 8 members they like more. Okay, purple is their favorite color for 8 members.
What is the most favorite color? Most favorite.
3 numbers like 3.
Thank you.
My name is Ivana studying 6th grade at Viswakavi CBSE school. Today, I am going to tell what is data. Data is a collection of information. It is a collection of information in numerical figures. So, I am going to show you about pictograph. Pictograph is a collection of information in pictures.
So what is the scale here?
Here,
One.
my father is giving money for me for a week.
Pocket money. Okay, carry on.
Now, I am going to say about how much money I collected in Monday. I collected 5 rupees in Monday. And in Tuesday, I collected 3